Hello friends, today we will see how to install Python on Windows 10. For that we will go to the official download site of Python, which is python.org/downloads. Here you will see download links for multiple versions of Python, but for now what I want to download is the 2.7.18 version. It is also the last release of Python 2. On clicking Python 2.7.18, you will see multiple files. From here you have to select whichever is compatible to your machine. For me, it is going to be the Windows 64 MSI. This will take some time to download. Once the download is completed, we will launch the installer. So now that the installer is launched, you can install just for yourself or for all users. Here you can give the directory where you want to install. For me it's C drive and Python 27. Now here you have to select the option to add Python exe to path. As we all know, for all the languages we need to add the value in the path environment variable. So this will help us in doing that. We won't have to manually go and add it to the path. So again, it will take several minutes as it is written on the screen as well. And so the installation is complete now. So to check the version of Python that we have installed, we need to go to the command prompt. In command prompt, we have to go to the folder where we have installed Python. So for me it was C drive and Python 27. So upon checking on there, you can directly type Python and this will give you the version of Python that we installed. So for us it is 2.7.18. So now you can directly pass on commands. Simply pass print command or multiple calculation commands here, and Python will directly perform them. So to exit this mode, you just have to type exit command. That's it, we have installed Python. So if you like the video, please hit like and click on subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.